Guys, Netizen don come for Wizkid baby mama. Omo, no be small tin na, so dey just dey call her out for social media. No be small tin o. Dis Wizkid baby mama Shola, she don come face backlash as she dey teach her son, abi dia son, Bolu, dat Boluwatife, Wizkid first son, as she dey teach the guy, abi the boy, how to drive. Not only say she dey teach the boy how to drive, she come still allow the boy wear headset for im ear, come still dey drive like on the without seatbelt sef. Guys, I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. As she dey teach her son how to drive, how to learn how to drive, she come dey record the boy. So unknown to her say wetin she dey do dey very very bad, like very very wrong sef on every side. So she come post dat very video of where the boy dey drive. Netizens come notice say the boy wear headphone abi headset for im ear. Yes, e no only wear headset, e no come wear im seat belt as im dey learn, like for a learner, person wey be say im hand no even strong, im no even get driving license. She come post dat video like on social media, thinking say e go well in her favour, thinking say pipu go give her accolade for teaching her very young son how to drive. Unknown to her say the thing go backfire, like dem really really, like dem throw her, dem just like no kind word wey dem no tell am. A lot of pipu dey condemn the act wey she do, or a lot of pipu dey talk say she even be bad mother. Some dey label her as bad mother for dat tin wey she do. Dey talk say she dey endanger her and her son life, because she sef, she even dey inside the car sef. Say what of, person come even dey talk sef say what of if big trailer come now nko, how dat boy wan take hear say the trailer dey honk? Say how im wan take hear na, how im wan take hear the trailer horn? Say all those things, say dat thing no be good training at all, say she do very very bad. Like she dat for dat particular one, say she no try at all. Like netizens just dey against her, guys. And even as netizens dey against her, majority dey against her, some pipu still dey support her. Some still dey talk say Nigerians and their frustrated selves just dey like throw dat frustration on the lady. Some still dey talk sef say na the ones wey no get money na im dey find fault for everything. Guys, like no be everything, like if we see something bad for social media, let us call a spade a spade. No be because of say Wizkid get money, or Wizkid baby mama get money, or anything like that, now we go come use take dey cover up the truth. Wetin concern the fact say netizens dey frustrated, or netizens no get money to afford those kind of, some netizens life to come dey talk say pipu dey jealous her, or pipu dey talk say, or pipu dey just dey put their frustration on her, dis one dat one. Some pipu sef come dey support the lady, say why dey put abi drink panadol for another person headache. But like dat thing is wrong on every side. Let us call a spade a spade. If we see truth for social media, make we try dey talk am. No dey use because say yes, we all know say Wizkid dis im son, abi Wizkid son na, and like im papa na billionaire, abi im get money, good and fine. But even though, no mean say we go come use cup say the boy na rich man pikin, no go come talk truth. Because some pipu come even dey talk sef say say why pipu dey make a big deal out of dis small thing, say shebi na for inside street na im the girl dey teach the boy how to drive car. So na im me I come dey like talk say even if na inside street, like accident sef still dey happen for inside street, no be only for main road, no be only for highway na im accident dey happen. Like accident can happen anytime, any day, anywhere sef. So like if big trailer now, or motor now, or anything, or any vehicle at all come dey honk now, how dat boy wan take hear am with dat headset wey dey im ear? Like I just dey see dis thing, I come dey wonder say wetin be dis? Like I no even know say a lot of netizens even dey against dat thing wey be say she even do God sef. Because some pipu come dey talk say for her mind now, she wan use dat video now take dey pepper some pipu for social media. She no know say the thing go backfire. And na true, like e really really backfire, because na majority of pipu wey dey for comment section na im just dey talk against dat thing wey she do. It's very very wrong. Some pipu come even dey talk sef say they suppose to arrest dat lady. Some pipu dey talk say they suppose to arrest her for endangering dat boy life, because dat boy na still small boy, so if e no even know the safety precautions to take when learning how to drive a car. So but she now as an adult now, she suppose don already know these things at least. Even I no even just know. There's nothing to justify about this her action at all. What she did was wrong. Like it was wrong on every side. My people. So abeg make una tell me wetin una think about this video, because I say no be only me go see am. Make una drop your 1 cent about this video. What you think about this risky baby mama, her actions, guys? And I'll try my possible best to reply every single one of your comments, guys. Keep them coming. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more celebrity trending gist, guys. And if you don't subscribe, don't also forget to put on your post notification so that anytime you post new video for this channel, una go dey among the first people to get notified. And I go see una for my next video. Bye.